What's up everybody, Thomas Anderson, DJI, and today I am in IM. It's gonna be super misty. I don't know how it's gonna be. I'm pretty curious if I can take any footage. So today what I have with me, I brought a good selection today. So I brought the EOS Cine 3.504. As you can see, the lip still has to be pulled off. Really gonna maiden it today. And we got the basher with us. So let's go for a climb first. Now it's really time for the maiden because it's clean. It's good to go. Let's see how it does. Yep. Like, come on.
Damn.
So far as I can see, it's pretty good. I don't know how the footage is at home, but the 04 did as far as good. We're gonna go for the climb down now. Desmond is already going, so maybe I'll take a few shots outside because it's super misty, but yeah, we're gonna have to work with it. So let's make some misty footage.
Bando kitty. Hey, hallo. Vleesbal. Oh, lekker lekker. Bando kitty. Oh, you bando boy, hè? Bando kitty.
Ja, dat is geen wilde kat hoor. Dag. And we arrived at location 2. First we're gonna go on inside. See, we're gonna scare away the urbexes. Do some inside bashing. And then if the day allows us, we do some outside flies on our way back. So let's see how it goes. Let's go.
Have you ever heard the sound of your head in the ground? And you're afraid to say, and it won't go away. That's the sound of your brain cracking. 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 Have you ever heard the sound of your head in the ground? And you're afraid to say, and it won't go away. That's the sound of your brain cracking.
Coming to your house, dick.
Stop scheming and let's get hard. Pump it up, homeboy. Just don't stop. Go.
That's the sound of your brain cracking.
When the drum beats go like.
That's the sound of your brain cracking.
Alright, mate. Stop gassing, mate. What the people them blasting? None of mercy. They're everlasting. Watch them and tell them to move right. Watch this. Let's go. What? Don't stop, giddy, giddy. Wrong song. Watch this.
That's the sound of your That's the sound of your That's the sound of your
Cracking we did. First, I was losing connection. Now I know why. I had no antenna. And then I had a couple dives with the demis and I broke the arm. You can see it. So I'm gonna do a quick arm swap because an arm swap is quicker than an antenna swap. So let's fix that, put some new props and get some dives in. Yeah.
work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Killing in the name of. Killing in the name of. Now you do what they told you. 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 Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those that died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those who died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Killing in the name of. Killing in the name of. Now you do what they told you. 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 You're under control. Now you do what they told you. You're under control. Now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. Now you're under control. And now you do what they told you. Now you're under control. And now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those that died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those
So, didn't crack on the last one, or just a little bit, few scratches, but the cold was really sagging on the lipo, so I just call it a day. Quit when you're winning, as they say. Overall, it was a good day. I'm gonna do in the future some comparison with the 03, 04, Osmo 4, Action 5. I'm just gonna do some comparisons because I'm actually curious how these cameras hold up to each other. But today is not the day, it's too cold. And you thought it was over. No, 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 no. We have to test the low light capabilities of the 04. This is me from the future. I actually had to make some room in the frame to get the camera free. But for now, camera is touching the cage, so it's a little bit shaky, but the future self has fixed that, but for now, just bear with me. It's a super epic flight.
Takes a part of me, something lost and never seen. Every time I start to believe, something's raped and taken from me, from me. Life's gotta always be messing with me. Can't it chill and let me be free? Can't I take away all this pain? I try to every night, all in vain, in vain. Sometimes I cannot take this place. Sometimes it's my life I can't taste. Sometimes
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.